Understanding Cutting Your Losses, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, cutting your losses. It's a phrase you might come across in movies, books, or even in business discussions. But what does it actually mean, and how can you use it correctly? Stay with us as we explore this phrase together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Cutting your losses is a phrase that originated from the world of business and investing, but it's now used in everyday English as well. It means to stop an activity that is clearly failing before the situation becomes even worse, in order to minimize the damage or loss. It's about recognizing when it's time to give up on a losing endeavor and not wasting more time, money, or effort on it. The phrase emphasizes the importance of timely decision-making to avoid further losses. To better understand this phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. Business context. If a company invests in a new product that's not selling well, deciding to stop the production and marketing of that product is a way of cutting their losses. 2. Personal relationships. Sometimes, people realize that a relationship is not working out despite their best efforts. Choosing to end it rather than continuing to invest emotionally can be seen as cutting your losses. 3. Gambling. A gambler who's losing money might decide to stop gambling to prevent losing more money. This decision is a classic case of cutting losses. Understanding and applying the concept of cutting your losses is crucial because it helps prevent further harm. It's about making strategic decisions that protect your well-being, finances, or emotional health. The ability to recognize a failing situation and act decisively is a valuable skill in both personal and professional life. This phrase teaches us the importance of letting go when necessary, for our greater good. Now, let's practice using this phrase. After 2 years of declining sales, the company decided it was time to cut their losses and close down the unprofitable division. I've spent too much time trying to fix this old car. I think it's time to cut my losses and buy a new one. Using the phrase in sentences like these will make your English sound more natural and fluent. I hope this video has helped you understand what cutting your losses means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, it's a powerful phrase that reflects wisdom and the courage to make tough decisions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.